Hi, welcome to quick Excel tutorial for beginners. If you have not seen my other videos, please kindly click on the link below to watch them. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and also click on the notification button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use a simple if function to work out a discount for a customer. So here we have a sales data, and we want to treat our customers good to retain their confidence in our business. So what we are saying is that if a customer place order and the quantity, which is column D, the quantity is more than 150, then we want to give the customer 15% discount. Okay, so how do we work this out? Let's use our simple if function to execute this task. So equal to if, open bracket, the argument is based on quantity. So we make reference to column D2. So if column D2, that is if the quantity is greater than 150, then the quantity, which is the D2, times 15%, 15, because we want to work out 15%. Okay, so D2 times 15 divided by 100, and this simple math should work out our 15% out of the order placed. Okay, now if the order is less than 150 or exactly 150, unfortunately no discount for the customer, so it should be 0. Okay, let's go through it again. If the quantity is greater than if the quantity is greater than 150, then the quantity times 15 divided by 100, and that should work out our 15% based on the quantity. But if the quantity is exactly 150 and below, then unfortunately no discount for the customer. Now let's enter our formula. Boom. Now Excel is saying this particular customer will receive 22.65 discount because the order is 151. Let's make sure our formula is working. So let's change this one to 150 instead of 151 and enter. Excel is saying no discount for this customer. No discount for this customer because the order is 150. Okay, it doesn't meet the criteria. Okay, now let's populate our formula down to see how many people will receive a discount. So straight away, we know some customers will save themselves money. Some people are going to receive 52 pounds, some 75 pounds. For instance, we have this person here. The order is 500, okay, and the quantity, the gross total is 925. So the discount is 75 pounds. This customer is saving 75 pounds. So now let's work out how much net total the customer will pay. Okay, so that is straightforward. Now the gross total minus the discount. Boom. Okay, unfortunately, this particular customer would have to pay the gross total because no discount. Let's populate our formula down, and now we see that some customers have saved themselves, some money because their orders exceed 150. So this is how to write simple if function to work out a discount for a customer. Hope this tutorial helps. Thank you.